right, you're on step 2. That means that you have completed step 1 and you've moved on to step 2. Now, you already know that the main webinar is located on this page. So if you ever need to go back to that, you know the website address here, and you probably have already bookmarked this page. So we will dispense with the talk of bookmarking and where to go, and we will proceed with step 2. All you will need to do is scroll down, and you will see right here it says click here to sign up with Z&Z Big Cash. So you are going to click that, and that is going to take you to Z&Z Big Cash. And you also know from step 1, when you click this button to sign up with Z&Z, that it opens another window so you can go back and forth, start and restart the video if you need more instruction on how to do Z&Z. And it's very, very similar. As a matter of fact, this is easier than step 1. You'll just scroll down here and you'll see the referral ID here. And all you're going to do again is put in your email address. Now this one's a little bit different. Most probable you're going to have a different situation when you do this. If you're just now joining Z&Z, you're going to put your information in, use the same email address as you did in Z&Z1, and when you click sign up, more than likely a page is going to come up that says we recognize your email, but you're not yet a member of this program, and the program they're speaking of is Big Cash. So they're going to ask you if you want to extend your account. And you do want to do that. Basically what they're saying is, do you want us to autofill the profile page? And you do want them to do that. Just agree to that, and then you're going to use the same password as you created in Z&Z1, and you won't have to fill that out. But if for some reason you do have to fill out the profile page in Big Cash and you want to use the same email address, and you want to use the same password, and if you don't have your AlertPay or PayPal right now, don't worry about it. But more than likely, it's just going to ask if you want to extend the account. You do want to extend the account, and then when you agree to that, it's going to take you to your status page. Now, I want to show you something real quick here for future reference. Your Z&Z ID. It's under your referral link. It's at the end of this string right here. So if you need your Z&Z1, it's in Z&Z1. Under your status page, you will need both. And now, all you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to scroll over to the offers page. You are going to click on offers, and you will see that here are the offers. But this time, there's 4 pages of offers, sometimes more. But again, you're looking to get 1.0 credits out of 1.0, and as you see, these are not worth as much as they are in Z&Z1. I mean, you're going to have to take multiple offers, but there's plenty of offers here to get you to 1.0 credits. So you got 25, 25, here you got 15, 25, 10, 10, 5. So you just look around. You'll find plenty of offers to get you 1.0 credits. Okay. I wanted to cover a situation. You have to understand, I have no control over the offers that are in Z&Z Big Cash. And sometimes there actually may not be enough free offers to get you to 1.0. There's usually enough to get you to 0.75 or 0.50. So what you need to do is you need to look around in here, and you will see very inexpensive offers like this, $1.99 will give you 25 credits. $1 gets you 15 credits. $4.99 gets you 0.15 credits. $1.99 gets you 0.15 credits. $4.95 gets you 0.20 credits. $1.95 gets you 0.20 credits. And the point of this is that if you happen to be in here on a day where they don't seem to have enough free credits to get you to 1.0, that's okay. Because if you have to spend any little sum of money to get you there, I'm going to send you $10 to cover that. And these offers, even though they cost, they basically worth the same. If you click on them and they say something like you're signing up for 6 months for $24.95, don't worry about it. You can cancel those just like you do on the free offers. So if you can't find enough free offers to get you to 1.0 credits, I am going to send you $10 to cover any cost, and you can easily do it with $10. If you look here, again, there's 0.5, it's free. 0.10, it's free. 0.10, it's free. So that's 0.25. One of these, 0.25, so that's 0.50. Okay, so if you need to do any that costs a little bit of money, you can do, something like this, $1.99, that's 0.75. $1.99, that's going to get you to 0.9. $4.95, that gets you over 1.0. So don't worry about it. I'm going to send you out the $10. If you can't get this free, I want you to try to do as many free ones as you can. But if you have to spend a little something, I'll cover that, and $10 will easily get you to the 1.0 mark. And after you do that, and after it's shown on my end that you have completed step 2, then I will get you out the $10 to cover that. And it's very simple what you need to do.
You will simply email me at paidstep2@dailypaysecret.com and put paid step 2 in the subject line, meaning that you paid a little something in step 2, and I will go ahead and get you out the $10. So don't let anything stand in your way, because we are going into the season where this is going to be hot. So go ahead and do it, and I will cover that. And I really do send out the $10 payment, so you don't have to worry. Here's inside my PayPal account. You see all these payments I've sent? And then another page, and another, and another, and another, and another. So you're getting the idea. I hope that this is legit, and I send the money. However, there usually are enough free offers to do it, but if not, just send me an email, and if need be, just take some very inexpensive offers that you can cancel just like the free ones, and you send me this email after you complete step 2. Now also, let me show you something really cool. You can go in, and on the offers page, above the page numbers, you will see here where it says sort offers by. And you can go over, click cost, and click refresh, and it will pull all the free ones and the very cheap ones up to the top.
And it is a repeat performance of step 1. Let's just click this, takes you here, reiterates the offer. Right? And you need to keep up with the offer period, obviously. But then you just click on continue. And as you can clearly see, this particular offer is 30 days. So we want to keep it 80% of the time. You can keep it forever if you'd like, but you need to keep at least 80% of the time. I think that's 24 days. So, 25 days are on. Should you so decide to discontinue it, but that obviously is something that you choose. And then you just fill this out, submit and continue, and finish this particular offer. And then you just go back to this page, and it's just a repeat performance. This is very quick. You can get this done very, very quickly. These that you do, they will send you an email confirming that you are involved in this. You need to keep that email, and it's very, very simple. Now, these companies are basically paying us to send legitimate people to these offers, to take these offers and experience the benefits, to decide if they would like to keep the offers permanently. So, any kind of false advertising will not be tolerated. There's absolutely no reason for it. People are really, really interested in this anyway. So, after you do that, you'll have a pink bar here, and it takes just as long as it takes for these companies to contact ZNZ to let them know you took this offer for your pink bar to turn blue. So, don't worry about it and don't sweat it. Your pink bar will turn blue. It will turn blue quickly, or it might take a little bit of time. It depends on the reporting of these companies to ZNZ. You're good to go. So you don't need to wait to go on to step 3. If you have any questions about ZNZ or anything, you can always go to support and just put in a support ticket. They are very good.
And you get paid by going into the back office of ZNZ1 and ZNZ Big Cash, both of them, to get paid. and you look down here, your referral status, and you see that I have in here at this point 60 completed referrals. And to get paid, you just go up here to order, click order, scroll down, these how many times I've been paid, and you scroll down place order, and boom, they put it in your PayPal account.
This is very, very simple. You'll have this done and be good to go. And remember, the main webinar page, and you didn't bookmark it, which you should have, you'll go to www.paidtodaynow.info. That, of course, leads you back to the main webinar. And then if you need to go back into step 2, you just click on step 2, and here you are again. Now, when you get ready to go to step 3, you can either go back to the main webinar, or if you still have step 2 open, you can just click right here. It'll move you on to step 3. So you are very close to being in a position to make some big cash. So you might forego any activities that would waste any time. And remember that if you do have to pay any little bitty sum of money, that I'm going to send you the $10 immediately to cover that. And I will know the days that there is not enough offers of the free variety to get you to 1.0. So I would ask that you please not try to take advantage of that $10 offer and take advantage of my kindness. But I will send you the $10 if there are not enough on that day of the free variety to get you to 1.0.
You will simply email me at paidstep2@dailypaysecret.com and put paid step 2 in the subject line. So there's no excuse not to get this thing rolling. We're going into the season where there's going to be a lot of people looking for something like this. So don't let anything hold you back. If you have to pay, I'll send you a little something to cover that. So go ahead and get this money machine rolling. I'm glad I did, and I know you will be too.